Welcome back, boys. My name is Rob. This is my 77 Porsche 911. What I'm going to be doing in this video is diagnosing a misfire or something. I was pretty happy with the way this car was driving. I mean, now we have side skirts, we got a rear bumper. I've put like 1,500 miles on this thing this season already. And some of the comments in my build thread were people saying that it sounds like it's not running right. It's not firing in all cylinders. And I was like, what are you talking about, dude? The thing pulls great. It's driving great. What's up? So what I did is I checked the primaries with an infrared gun here, and sure enough, one of them was not as hot as the rest of them. So we're going to try to solve that. I don't know if it's a fuel issue or an ignition issue or what, but yeah, we're going to see if we can fix it, and then we're going to go for a rip. So what I'm going to do is use this IR thermometer, and we're just going to shoot it directly on the primaries. And this back primary is at 50 degrees Celsius, and the front two are at 86 or so. And then when I go over here, at 80 to 90 degrees. So I think the next thing we're going to do is we're going to just disconnect the spark plug wire to verify it's not firing. And then we're going to check the fuel system, because I did the leak down forever ago and everything was within spec, and I've done a valve adjustment, so not really sure what's going on. So to verify, I'm going to let it idle, and we're just going to pull the plug to cylinder number 4 here. Your idle, there's a screw head like right back here, and you just want to twist that until idle's right around 1,000 RPM. I'm a touch below it, which is perfect. I think it's technically supposed to be 950. All right, right away it's idling a lot smoother. Like there's just a lot less vibration in the car. So we're gonna go for a quick drive. I feel really stupid, but I'm kind of expecting the whole car to be at least like 15% faster, which will be awesome. Oh my God, it's so much better. How was I driving around on 5 cylinders for 1,000 miles? Oh my God. I feel like in Initial D when they get the new motor and like, he's like, this motor sucks. And he's like, yeah, you gotta rev it out, but... Oh my God! Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble. Oh my God, it downshifts even better. It fucking revs up even faster. Oh yeah! It's just... Yeah! She is singing now. Now, to be fair, I mean, I daily drive Hondas, so it already felt faster than that, and I hadn't driven it in 3 years, so I kind of forgot. But man, what a difference. I gotta get some exhaust shots somewhere, don't I?
cylinders is way better than 5 in this car. I cannot believe I drove this thing this long on 5 cylinders. Oh my God.
Well guys, apparently I'm the biggest idiot on the internet because I've been driving one of these with 5 cylinders for the past 1,500 miles. So, blown away by how it sounds and how much faster it is and how much smoother it is. And yeah, apparently I'm a dumbass. Thank you to the people on Pelican Parts who figured out that I was not running on all 6 cylinders. I don't think my brain is running on all cylinders, apparently sometimes anyway. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helps you somehow. I guess just get an IR gun and check when you put your project car together that it's working on all cylinders, because you could be missing out on a lot of power and gas mileage and smoothness and all sorts of better sounds, and who knows. Until next time. Cheers, dudes.